How to send silent message on WhatsApp. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is just adjust any settings from your WhatsApp application. So the very first thing, of course, is make sure that you're currently running the latest version of WhatsApp. Just head over directly to your Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Look for the WhatsApp Messenger and then make sure that the update button is not going to be visible in there. Now, for you to be able to have it on silent and sending out a message is just go to your phone settings, scroll down and locate the options that says apps, and then head to manage apps. And then in this field, just simply look for WhatsApp application or just head directly to your search bar and type in WhatsApp. Then here, you just have to scroll all the way down and then go to notifications. And here, this is where you just simply turn this thing off so that you should be able to send silent messages on WhatsApp. And that's how you send silent message on WhatsApp.